Hello, I'm Thomas. I'm a front-end engineer in the editor group. I'm now trying to connect the workspace, remote development workspace with our WebIDE. We need editor injector for that, and I'm going to quickly show you where I'm at the moment. So I'm able to build this image with VS Code Server for the 64-bit x86 architecture for Linux. And then I have a few templates, like an editor template or the editor injector template, and a workspace template that uses, or a workspace definition that uses it. And I'm just going to quickly show you how that works. So I'm in the GitLab WebIDE VS Code fork, which is our fork of the VS Code main project. There is a simpler script that downloads our build artifact for the Linux x86 64 architecture, and then unpacks it and runs this Docker build command, which then just copies the code server in the start script and copy server script, and sets the copy server as the entry point. And we then use that here. It's examples. It's in on the merge request that I'm going to link, and we've got this example of the editor injector, the WebIDE editor injector, where there are two containers. This is the initialization container where it uses the entry point to copy all the editor files on the volume, and then there is this container. Not like a template or something that's going to get merged with the tooling container definition from the actual dev file. And here we say that the command to start the workspace is start server. And here we've got a dev workspace with using the WebIDE editor. And now I'm going to show you how that works. So I already built the Docker container. We don't have to spend time with that. And I'm just going to create a workspace from the file that I just showed and that you can find on the merge request. Now we can see how it gets provisioned or deployed. Now we will wait for the editor to start. Now we have a URL. Now, because we are using Cert Manager with self-signed certificate, I first need to tell my browser that I trust this URL, but the VS Code server doesn't serve anything. It has only WebSocket. It only can open WebSocket connection. So I'll take this URL to that workspace and I'll paste it to this is just an example app with the WebIDE instead of using it in the GDK, which we are going to do a little bit later. This is just showing that we can connect WebIDE for the remote development. So I'm going to paste the URL in. Host path is okay as a root. The password token is already set up, and I can connect. Now, there are a few drawbacks. There is plenty of drawbacks. One is that this is architecture specific. It's only working currently on the x86 64. Another one is that we have known issue that we can't change the project path. So now it's at root, but if we wanted to set it on projects, microservices, demo frontend, then we wouldn't be able to change the project during that one WebIDE instance or session. So this works. You can even open the terminal and echo this works. And that's it. That's the demo. We are able to inject the WebIDE server into a workspace, but right now it's very hacky. I'm going to be working on making it a little bit more production ready from now on. Thanks.